Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can upload all of your photos on Google Drive all at once. So first you need to do this. Go inside your phone setting and search for Drive. Once you search for Drive and you find it, click on it and click on where it says Photos. And from inside Photos, make sure full access is provided. Once you tick on full access, make sure you click on allow full access. Once this is done, you need to go open your Google Drive. And on your Google Drive, what you need to do is click on files at the bottom right corner of your screen and be on the file section. Once you're over here, you can see the plus button at the bottom right. Click on it. From over here, click on upload. And from here, click on photos and videos. Now you just want to go inside recents because every single photo available in your mobile is going to be on the recents tab. Just want to tick or choose every single photo or video which you want to upload. And you have to do it individually. There's not a button which you can just click on to select all. You have to do it individually like this. After you select it, click on upload at the top right. And all the photos and videos which you have selected is going to be uploaded on your Google Drive all at once. So that is how you guys can upload all your iPhone photos to Google Drive at once. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.